Alrighty, so it says an elevator starts at the ground floor and makes 4 stops. The positive number stands for going up and the negative number stands for going down. Which expression gives the total number of floors traveled during the 4 stops? So you could always use a vertical number line if that helps you, since we're talking about an elevator and we're talking about up and down, up and down. You can always draw one of those. However, I'm going to show you how to use the horizontal number line that's given you. So 0 represents our ground floor and we are traveling a certain distance. So that means we are traveling, the first stop is going to be 5. Okay, so that means we're moving 5 from 0. The second stop is going to be -7. That means we're moving 7. Okay. The third stop is going to be +9. So we were here at 7 and we're going to add 9. So we're going to be here. And then the last stop is going to be -13 floors. So we're going to end up here. With that being said, remember that distance is actually the same as absolute value. We care about the distance from 0. How can we figure out how much was the total distance that we traveled? So whether or not we went up or down, how much did we travel if we added all of those things together? So remember that distance is the same as absolute value, which is the distance from 0, and distance is always positive. So I know for sure this answer will not work. So I want to look at an answer that will do that. If I was to do this particular one, keep in mind that if I add it, really what's going to happen is telling me where I land. And I don't want to know where I land. I want to know the total distance of everything. So that means I want to add all of these numbers up and I want to ignore the signs. So I have to look for the expression that shows me the absolute value of each of these. So I can tell you that these two are not the answer. Choose between these two to determine which one gives you the best answer.